Hello, in this video I'll be giving a plot account of the non-African drama Othello, written by William Shakespeare. The play is a very interesting, very intriguing, very emotional play because it is a tragedy. The play begins with Rodrigo's complaints and also the complaints of Iago. Apparently, Rodrigo found out that Othello has gotten married secretly to Desdemona. Desdemona, who he actually has feelings for and yearns her to be his wife. And on the other hand, Iago complains that Othello has promoted Cassio over him. Cassio, who is a junior officer compared to Iago and lacks experience in battlefields. So they both complain and conspire to bring Othello down as a result of the axe they have to grind with him. So they both conspire and decide to tell Brambascio, the father of Desdemona, who is actually unaware of the secret marriage between Desdemona and Othello. So they know definitely that Brambascio will be so displeased and vexed with the whole marriage setting for the fact that Desdemona is from a very high class, upper class in Venice, while Othello, even though he is an army general, he is a Moor and black-skinned. So they both decide to tell Brambascio of the marriage between Desdemona and Othello. But on the way going to the house of Brambascio, Iago goes back and tells Othello of the whole conspiracy without Rodrigo knowing. So Othello knows of everything which is to come. Brambascio meets up Othello on the way to the council for a very crucial meeting, but with the smartness and wittiness of Othello, he sways the whole thing and they both decide to tell the story and narrate their problems in the council in the presence of the Duke, who is in charge of the council. Brambascio accuses Othello of using witchcraft and sorcery to woo his daughter, that apparently Desdemona cannot, with her clear eyes, marry a Moor who is black-skinned and someone lower in their class. While Othello narrates his own tale by saying that it was due to his adventurous stories and his tales of his exploits in the army that made Desdemona to fall in love with him. So the whole situation, the whole scenario was waived by the Duke, who is in charge of the council, having found that yes, with his argument, with Othello's argument, that any woman would have fallen for Othello. And then they went on with the issue that they were there in the council. The issue which is they got a threat that the Turkish people are coming to destroy and fight the Cyprus, which is an affiliate of Venice. In our next video, I'll share with you the subsequent story of Othello, how he went about with his duty as the army general.